Hi, my name is Haley Leffelholtz. I graduated in December of 17 with my associate's degree from Northeast Iowa Community College, aka known as NICC. I have been working at Mercy Medical Center since fall of 15 as a CNA, and then in February I started as a registered nurse. I started classes at Upper Iowa, doing nursing electives in January, and right now I'm excited to be in the core nursing classes. I am married. We've been married for 2 years in March, and he is going for his mechanical engineering undergrad at University of Wisconsin-Platteville. I like to read for fun and enjoy every bit of free time I get with being in school full-time and working full-time. So I look forward to meeting all of you and reading all your posts. Thank you for watching. Bye.